Ay, 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 ay. Look. Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Chippin, and y'all know what time it is. So today's recipe is simply gonna be my favorite burger. All right, anybody that is close to me knows that my favorite burger has always been Wendy's Baconator, double Baconator, and I get it all the time. So today I'm gonna try to copy it. So this is gonna be like Wendy's Baconator copycat video. You know what time it is? Stay tuned and let's get cooking. So ingredients for my favorite burger, which is the Wendy's Baconator copycat, is just gonna be, of course, your meat patty. Yep. Your bun. You can go with any bun that you want. I chose to go with sesame seed bun, the brioche bun. You know what time it is, and mayo, ketchup, of course, salt and pepper, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. American cheese. And last, your bacon. It's about to go down. Let's get cooking. What we're gonna do first is make our meat patty, all right? Now, if you've had Wendy's Baconator before, you know that their meat patty is not round shaped. It's square. So that's what we're gonna try to copy. All right, so first of all, we're gonna try to make it this way. And then put it down like this. And then gently try to shape it into a square. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect. I mean, this is not Wendy's here. I'm just doing a copycat, but we'll try as much as possible to stay true to the original one. Yeah, I think this is fair enough. This is square, right? Yep. All right. I'm gonna do the same. Have it as square as we can. Maybe a little bit, or I'm just being greedy. So there you have it. We are done. I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the next process. All right, so in your pan. So what? You know what? You can make this in the oven or on a griddle, or just as I'm doing it here in a pan. All right. So there's a little bit of oil. All right. So once our oil is heated enough, we're gonna have to be careful with your meat patty. Slowly and gently. Yep. We still got it intact. Slowly. You hear that? That sizzling sound? That's what you want to hear. There we go. While this is sizzling away, I'm gonna throw in my bacon. So what I did was take one long strip and cut them into two halves. Yeah. You season with some black pepper. The black pepper. And some salt. Like I said, I'm staying true to Wendy's recipe. Alright. And then we're gonna flip our bacon. So how well done this is depends on your preference, alright? If you want it crispy, you want it a little bit soggy, it all depends on you. We're gonna flip this bad boy and see how it looks. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and flip this one too. That's what I'm talking about. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same as we did on the other side, going with some black pepper and salt. And you know I love grind. And come with your salt. Our bacon is done. Yep. Take them out. Man, they shrunk. Should have put down more. But that's fine. Yep. Here comes our meat patty. There you go. You'll see that? This is the consistency that you want. So you see in the middle here, it's just like, it's not as charred as on the surface. You get it? That's the consistency that you're looking for. There's our bun here. Like I said in the beginning, you can choose to use any bun of your choice, alright? And I got me here my mayo. You'll know what time it is. So, look, a lot of people are gonna go for butter, but I'm staying true to the Wendy's recipe, alright? So, put some mayo on this joint. On both sides. Yep. Just spread it. Make sure every part of this bun gets to have all that sweetness. And this one too. Yep. You see that? Yeah. At this moment or at this stage, you would want to lower your stove. And here goes my bun, all right? Yeah. So it should be on for, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds to a minute, all right? We're gonna go ahead and make our sauce, all right? A little bit of mayo. And some ketchup. Yep. Maybe a little more. And what you want to do is just mix it up, all right? Some people might want to add pickles. I don't like pickles, so, you know. Yeah. So, this is what you want your bun to look like. Just look at that. You see that? That's what I'm talking about. So now we are done with preparing everything. What we're gonna do is just put them together and it's time to eat. So what you wanna do is just spread that cheesiness. Y'all see that? Yeah. Yep. Ooh. So now you're gonna come through with your patty. All right, just like so. And your cheese. So you can choose to have the cheese melt a little bit on it, but I'm gonna use a different process. Just don't bother about it, all right? Let's go. So Wendy's Go will give you 3 pieces of bacon, and that's what I'm trying to copy. Just like so. Then here comes the other patty. Just look at that. If your mouth ain't wet already, something wrong, man. Something wrong. And go with the cheese. And the rest of the bacon. Now this way it gets tricky. What you want to do is drizzle, some of our, what I'm saying? The sauce that we made, the ketchup sauce. Yeah, that is your money shot right there. It's massive, right? What do you think?
Tastes just like a Baconator.
Just like that, right? That's what I wanted, because I wanted to stay true to the culture of Wendy's, right? Not add anything or take anything away from it too. Okay.
I love the bacon.
Oh, you do? How about a patty?
Perfect.
You heard that? Peace.
Not burnt.